Hello, I am Renz Andre M. Bergasio. I am your teacher today, and I am going to discuss about illustrate subset of line like line segment, rays, and opposite rays. So we will talk about line segment, rays, and opposite rays. So let's define what is line segment. A line segment is a part or segment of a line that is bounded by two distinct end points. Those lie on that line. A line segment has a number of other points lying on it, but they all lie in between the two end points. Line segment is also res- representative represented by two capital letters of alphabets, but with a line on a top. Like for example, a line AB. So another definition for line segment. Line segment is a straight line which link two points without extending beyond them. For example, a pen or pencil. A pen or a pencil are usually straight and are of a fixed length of about 15 to 20 centimeter, or um, a tube light. It is straight and has a fixed length about 3 to 5 centimeter or feet. A scale, a length measuring instrument, usually 15 centimeter or 30 centimeter in length. Is next definition is about ray. It is a straight line which starts from one fixed point and always progress in one direction only way away from the starting point. So ray can be extended indefinitely indefinitely only in one direction. So it has endpoint, it has no defined length, and can't be measured. Yun. So ray is represented by two capital letters in the alphabet, which which is focused on the pointed arrow on top of it. So for example, ray AB, where A is the starting prefix or starting fixed point of the ray. This is the example. Okay. Next is last is line seg. Next is and the last one is opposite ray. Opposite ray are those two rays that exactly from the same point but continue to the opposite direction. For example, uh, ZX and ZY opposite arrays. So the start point of this is the the ray ZX and ZY is Z. So and then they go they both go the opposite direction, however that makes two opposite. So point to remember about opposite rays. Both rays must start from the same point. Next is must go the opposite direction. And the last is must form a line. So that could be all. Thank you.